name is Tom Tresser. I live in Chicago with my wife Merle, but my father, Alan Tresser, handsome guy that he was, worked at the Fallsview Hotel right down the road for 50 years. And he called himself the king of Simon Sez. There are legends about who started the game, and there was a feud between him and Lou Goldstein that they would have fist fights and stuff. But he offered, you can see it written in pen here, $10,000 if you can stay in the game for 2 minutes. Now the owners of the hotel, the Slutskys, had no clue. They said, Alan, don't do that. We're not going to pay anybody $10,000. But luckily, over the years, nobody won. So I'll just share with you some of the memories of a child of a Tumblr, a child of a master entertainer, I would say, coming up to the hotel starting when I'm 8, 9, 10, on and on. So I was a towel boy at the pool. I was a busboy in the dining room. I hunted worms on the golf course to sell to the fishers, the guys who go on the lake. I was a bellhop and started to arrange craft games and other unsavory activities. I was a busboy in the dining room, hiding steaks in my pants on Friday night, while sneaking them past the owner's son, Charles Slutsky, who sat with a pad counting all the steaks that were being ordered so that this wouldn't happen. I worked in all the different aspects, and my father, who was always on, would always straighten stand up straight, do that, and always tell me bad jokes. So he was able to entertain the crowds, but he wasn't quite able to figure out his kid. So what I want to do is maybe, look down on me with favor, Dad. I'm going to try to channel some of his craziness for you, all right? You want to play little Simon Sez? Everybody up, on your feet. All right, on your feet, everybody on your feet. So you know the game of Simon Sez, right? You don't do anything unless Simon says. You understand?
I would win 10 grand.
Good for you, sit down. All right, sir, what's your... You're sit down. Simon didn't say, all right, you get the picture? All right, everybody take a step towards me so you can see me better. Take a step. If you move, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good for you, everybody else. All right, you get the idea. All right, let's try, Simon says, clap your hands. Again. Sit down. You see? Okay, you caught yourself. Excellent. All right, sir, what's your name? Simon says, what's your name?
Jonathan.
How long have you been coming to the falls, to the mountains? Simon says, how long have you been coming?
I was a lifeguard at the Gibber in '82.
Did you like it?
Not really.
Sit down. All right, you get the message. All right, so Simon says, who's married here? Who's a married couple? Married couple? But Simon says, you're married to who? Simon says, stand up. You give me another chance. Simon says, step forward. Simon says, how long have you been married?
43 years.
Simon says, kiss your bride. No, Simon didn't say stop. Sit down. Sit down. We love you. Sit down. So you see how this could go. All right, I won't try your patience any longer, but you get the picture. Everyone, so give yourself a round of applause. If you clap, sit down, you morons. All right. For those of you that you remain standing, we give you a virtual T-shirt. Congratulations. Have a great time at the Borscht Festival. Channel the love of the Catskills. I'm Tom Tresser. Have a good life.